how to find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Propstream. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Propstream. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Propstream on your mobile or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on search bar located at the top and enter your target area. Here you'll see all the information regarding property. Now click on details button, then on comparable and nearby listings tab. From here, refine your search by setting additional filters. Accordingly, it displays a list of properties purchased by cash buyers in your target area. Next, select any of the cash buyer, then review details. At last, reach out to cash buyers. So that's how you can find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Propstream. That's all for this video.